I've had these screens for 6 years. The first 2 to 3 years they worked well, but since then they've been deteriorating. As you can see, the handles have faded. The color is not good. This screen seems to work a little bit, but this one is a disaster. I have a hard time getting it out. I have to baby it and kind of finesse it.
What's on the bottom? Wow, this thing is just getting worse and worse. On the bottom, they put screws, but there's a screw here, there's a screw here, and when you're pulling it across, this bar gets stuck on those screws. This is a plastic handle. Most retractable screens are plastic handles, and they start looking gray and not like the actual paint after a while. Comparing the thinness of the bar, you can do this with literally one hand. Look at this bar here. It's gonna fall out like this. This. All right, Francis, we just installed your new Apollo screens, your Apollo retractable screens. What are your first impressions?
Well, they're certainly so much more substantial and sturdy. They feel really strong. They don't fall out. They don't come off the track. I really like that. The magnet is strong, holds them closed really well. And the color is great. I'm very pleased.